9B is the 11:38 London Midland service to Wolverhampton, calling at Smethwick Rolfe Street, Smethwick Galton Bridge, Sandwell and Dudley, Dudley Port, Tipton, Coseley and Wolverhampton. This train is formed of 3 coaches. Platform 9B for the 11:38 London Midland service to Wolverhampton. Platform 8A for the 11:45 London Midland service to Foreoaks. Calling Alston, Aston, Bramley Hill, Erdington, Chester Road, Wild Green, Sutton Coldfield and Foreoaks.
Livingston, Aston, Winton, Perrybar, Hampstead, Cambridge Parkway, Escott, Eddie and Walsall. Direct by people on the platform from platform 2B, platform 2A. Thank you.
will be the 11:55 London Midland service to Lichfield City, calling at Aston, Bramley Hill, Erdington, Chester Road, Wild Green, Sutton Coldfield, Foreoaks, Butler's Lane, Blake Street, Shenstone and Lichfield City. This train is formed of 3 coaches. London Midland service to Lichfield City, calling at Aston, Bramley Hill, Erdington, Chester Road, Wild Green, Sutton Coldfield, Foreoaks, Butler's Lane.
We tend to take that up with 7 buses in waiting, the 11:57 track magnet, with an 8:07 subject to a platform operation. It may be up to train transport, or it's not further Cancel business order. Train landing at this agreement at platform 5 near East Barbara 1 beautiful line 3. The bus has been troubled on East Barbara away to local service for Bouncton. It joined train and to platform 5 towards platform 5A.